Welcome to the Lacuna showroom in Langeskov on the beautiful island of Funen in Denmark. Lacuna makes folding doors which are up to 6 meters wide and up to 2 meters 80 high. Let us start with a 3-panel folding door. The folding door opens from left to right or from right to left. We open it like this. First this handle, then the next, and a little push, and the door is opened. Here I'm showing you a 4-panel solution. The distribution of the 4-panel folding door is that 3 panels always go to one side and 1 panel goes to the other side. A Lacuna folding door always has an odd number of panels opening to each side. We open the access door first. Then handle 1 and handle 2, and the folding door slides open. The single panel has a lock in top and bottom. The panel has a door brake and can't open beyond this point. A Lacuna folding door is also wind gust proof when open. I can lean against it from this side as well as from the other side. The suspension mechanism of Lacuna folding doors makes this possible. To close the folding door, we pull back the panels and lock them. Now we lock the single panel in top and bottom and close the access door. A Lacuna folding door can be equipped with an integrated window. The top-mounted window opens towards the outside. Size-wise, the window can extend down to the height of the door handle, but can also be small if it should only serve for ventilation or should be burglar-proof. A Lacuna integrated window can only be placed in a door frame mounted panel, which means here or here. In a 3-panel solution, this is possible in the end panel only. The reason for this is of course that windows in middle panels could damage the glass of the next panel. This 3-panel folding door features Lacuna glazing bars. The outer glazing bars are tapped into the panel frame and not glued, which offers optimal protection from weather influences. Our standard glazing bars are 20 mm, 25 mm, 36 mm and 42 mm. Our most popular glazing bar is the 25 mm version. On the inside, the glazing bars look like this. They feature the so-called palace profile, but are of course also available in our softline version without profile. As you can see here, our beautiful hinges and handles are all made of brushed, acid-proof stainless steel and withstand the toughest of elements anywhere in the world. One of the main elements of the Lacuna DNA is the absolute air and water tightness of our folding doors. Lacuna folding doors feature double insulation between all panels and the entire frame. Also between the panels there is double insulation, which you can see in this cross section. Here you see the 5-panel folding door. Just like the 3-panel solution, this folding door also opens either from the left to the right or from the right to the left. The 5-panel folding door is essentially an extension of the 3-panel solution. Again, we start by opening the first and then the second door handle. Push out the panels. Open the next door handles, and here we go. The 5-panel door is open, just as the 3-panel door. To close the folding door, we always start here. And now, the next panel. And finally, the access door. Design and aesthetics are very important to Lacuna. Again, the hinges and handles made of acid-proof brushed stainless steel. These handles are spring supported to ensure that even large hands can easily manage them. The handles have a diameter of 18 millimeters. The hinges have a diameter of 18 millimeters. And also the access door handles have an 18 millimeter diameter. This is what the locking mechanism looks like. In this panel, the lock has only one function, which is to secure the door at the bottom and at the top, which serves as security only, as this panel side does not swing out. This panel, on the other hand, swings out. This vertical locking mechanism locks the door and also compacts the folding door. The locking bar is rounded on both ends. This makes it easier to turn the handle when locking the panels. This is a 6-panel Lacuna folding door. Here we open the access door in the middle to enter and exit. Opening the second panel, we now have the opening of a double door with both panels secured on the outside. Nice weather permitting, you open the whole folding door like this. This is a 7-panel folding door covering approximately 6 meters. This door opens from right to left and is of course also available from left to right. We open this folding door the same way as the others. And when the weather is really nice, we now have opened the entire 6 meters. On this 7-panel door, we see that 2 different colors have been used. On the inside the door is white and on the outside it is black. Dual color folding doors are very popular and many of our customers choose this solution in a variety of color combinations. In addition to the thermally treated beech, also called TMT composite, which is used for our panels as the predominant painted solution, we also offer our folding doors in FSC certified mahogany and European oak. All of our folding doors are manufactured after the same standards. All Lacuna folding doors are of course available with 2 or 3 layer glass solutions. Also, the insulation level can be adjusted to, for example, match passive house norms. All of our parts are made by the same CNC robots, and therefore we achieve an optimal precision and identical finish throughout. This is another finish, namely our oiled European oak product. And here is a sample of the rich tone we achieve with oiled mahogany. Here you see a standard Lacuna top frame. The integrated rail carries a slide on which the panels are hung from the top. The top frame is screwed into a statically bearing, strong and absolutely level beam. A bowing beam would result in the folding door sitting up on the bottom frame. This top frame is a bit taller, about 2 centimeters, and it is reinforced with carbon fiber. This allows for folding doors with a width of around 3 meters to be self-supporting. The top frame needs to be screwed into a house element to resist blowing winds. This top frame does however bear the panels and remains straight level. Dimensional stability is the key factor for a folding door. That is why we test our products intensively. This frame has been submerged in salty ocean water for an entire year. We see the coral growth, but we also see that the paint does not show any signs of cracking. If this frame were made of pine wood, we would see many cracks as the pine would have expanded in the water. Obviously, the individual panels in a folding door cannot expand as they need to fit together. We see the maximal acceptable expansion at 0.5 millimeters. This panel has expanded a bit less than this limit of 0.5 millimeters, despite laying on the bottom of the harbor in Kerteminde for an entire year. The scraping of the paint is from the ropes that attach the sandbags to the panel.